Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain CJ dropshipping times by region and help you pick the fastest and most affordable option for your store. First we have the US, North America. They have the USA and the Canada and Mexico. Now the best option here is the USPS Plus, which is from the US warehouse, which only takes 2 to 7 days. They also have the CJ Pocket, which is the 7 to 12 days. And when it comes to Canada and Mexico, they have the CJ Packet or CJ Packet YW lines, which takes 15 to 25 days. When it comes in Australia, the best option is the 8 to 14 days, which is the CJ Pocket Australia. When it comes on United Kingdom, the highly recommended is the CJ Pocket Sensitive GB, which takes 7 to 12 days. While on Europe, France, Germany, Italy, and Belgium, the fastest and cheapest is the CJ Packet Euro Ordinary, which takes 7 to 14 days. When it comes on to the Spain, Sweden, Netherlands, and Denmark, it takes 9 to 18 days via CJ Packet. Now, when it comes on Southeast Asia, the CJ Packet JL Express onto the Thailand, Singapore, and Malaysia. Mostly it takes 4 to 8 days, 6 to 12 days, and 7 to 14 days. Now, when it comes into the shipping cost tip, CJ Pocket is not only faster, but only cheaper than DHL, USPS, or ePacket. For example, a 100 grams product, the CJ Pocket is $4.50. Onto the USPS, it is $5.65, while on ePocket, it is $5.58. When it comes on heavier items like backpacks, which is 730 grams, CJ Pocket is $12.64. ePocket is 15.61, while the DHL is $30 plus dollars. And that's it. If you're dropshipping in 2025, CJ Pocket is your best bet for speed and value. Use country-specific lines like CJ Pocket Sensitive GB or CJ Pocket Australia for even faster delivery. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.